Ghanaian Association in Thailand.
We are from Thailand, but we are Ghanaians.
Let's all of us unite. When there is an occasion like this, let's come together.
We are here to celebrate the Independence Day for our brothers from Uganda.
XXL Media Live on YouTube.
The best channel ever.
From Thailand, but we are Ghanaians. We go play that again.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. One half, huh? One, two, three, four.
Well, what's up?
Yeah, cool.
Why are we here?
We are here to join our brothers from Uganda to celebrate their day. That's why we are here. And then we have a football game to participate in.
Where are you from?
From Ghana. We are representing Ghana. We are Ghanaians. We are living in Thailand.
Yeah, how is the independence so far?
Come again?
How is the Ugandan independence?
Well, it was so nice and so lovely. Good event. And then hospitality was so perfect.
How many matches have you had?
We played 2 matches so far. We lost 1 game and we drew 1 game.
What advice do you give to the brothers and sisters from African countries?
Living in Thailand?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, my advice to them is that let's all of us unite. When there is an occasion like this, let's come together and embrace whoever is celebrating it. We might not know tomorrow it will be your turn. So I advise all of us to let us come together as a brothers and sisters to support each other.
Okay.
Because we are living in somebody's country.
Sure.
Unity is
key.
Yeah.
Okay, just call your people in your native language.
Yep.
Yeah.
What
Just
do you
one word in your native language, like.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, ni original high. Your friend sister Abina, me nimu di umezo. Your friend sister Abina, and I wish your friend Brani.
Yeah.
And I wish your friend Kojo. Me so I your friend Kweku.
Okay,
Yeah.
so guys, I like your support. Thank you so much for this interview.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Nice talking to you, brother.
All right. Ugandans in Thailand, we are coming live from CS
By the way,
Stadium.
We made a very big mistake. She was the one who should have interviewed. She's our head.
It's
We want
okay,
to have
it's
a word with her, like,
Okay, yeah. So let me talk to the head of.
We should have talked to you last week.
Okay, let me talk to the head of the Ghanaians, right? Okay. Yes, how are you?
I'm okay.
Why are we here?
Wow, we are here to support our friends to celebrate their Independence Day.
Yes. So far, how is the independence?
Oh, it's been awesome. We are really having a blast.
Yeah.
We've had 2 matches. We haven't won yet, but we still have another one to prove ourselves.
Okay.
This is Ghana.
Okay.
The Ghanaian Association in Thailand
Yeah.
is called agate.
So, no, it's live. Give just a short message to all the sisters and brothers from Ghana who are living in Thailand.
We want you to know that if you're living in Thailand and you are a Ghanaian, we have an association here. It's called the Ghanaian Association of Ghanaians in Thailand.
Yeah.
In short, it's agate. Find us and register, and we're having a wonderful community experience.
Yeah.
Register and enjoy home in Thailand.
Okay, thank you so much. What is your name, by the way?
Aisha.
Aisha. Okay, it was nice having you. I appreciate her. She's Aisha from Ghana, and I love the energy. I love the support that the Ghanaians have shown.
One minute.
5 minutes.
2 midday.
Great, brother. How are you?
Why are we here?
We are here for the Ugandan Independence Day, brother.
Yeah, which team is this?
This is the famous Wazalendo.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah.
But someone will pose a question. How many games have you played?
We played 3 games so far.
Okay, give us the results.
The results are, we played the first one, we played the Ugandan Cranes.
Yes.
We lost 4-1.
Yeah.
We had the second one, we played the Ugandan Cops.
Yeah.
The old Ugandan guys.
Yeah, yeah.
They was ace. Yeah, we beat them.
Okay.
Yeah, a lot. I don't want to say how many goals.
Yes.
We're now playing the third game
With
against Ghana.
Yeah.
We are 2 goals
Yeah.
down.
Okay.
But hopefully we still have 6 minutes.
Okay.
And let's wait and see.
So, how is the Ugandan independence so far?
So far so good, though we are hungry, but I know the food is there.
Okay.
Yeah.
What message do you have for brothers and sisters who are in Thailand but who didn't attend?
Oh man, just stay home if you want to stay home. If you want to be with the people, be with the people. They say
Okay.
that if you want to go far, go with the others.
Your names?
Roger.
Thank you so much.
Cheers, man.
We are here because of Uganda independence.
Yeah.
And we're really enjoying. Nice match.
Which team is this?
This is Kenyan Wazalendo.
So far, how many games have you had?
We've played like 3 games now. We've won 1 and they've been defeated 1.
Yeah. Okay. So, what message do you have for sisters and brothers who didn't attend this Ugandan independence, but they are in Thailand?
They have missed a lot of fun. So next time maybe because of logistic, next time you can make some arrangement and attend. It's a very
Okay.
fun event.
Your names?
Steven.
Okay, thank you so much.
Wait. Steve. Nani alikushikia? Huyu jamaa. Nani? Masai. Usitoke toke wewe Masai. Masai. Unacheza defense bwana.
My name is Henry from Kenya.
Why are we here today?
We are here to celebrate the Independence Day for our brothers from Uganda.
Yeah.
We are here to support them. They are our brothers.
Okay, so far, how many games have you had?
We have had 2 games.
Yeah.
We have played, we have won 1. We have lost 1.
What do you have to say about Africans who have not joined this independence? Any message to them?
It's a nice feeling seeing them around. It's a unifying factor. And let's keep doing it.
Okay. So give us the Swahili version calling all the sisters and the brothers who are not here but they are in Thailand. Just Swahili version.
Kaka zangu na dada zangu, naomba mkuje tushirikiane pamoja kusherehekea siku hii ya uhuru ya Uganda. Asante.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
So far so good. These are the brothers from Kenya. And we are so much excited, of course, to have them. Just feel at home, bro, okay?
Thank you.
Take care. So we have Kenya, we have Ghana, we have Uganda, and we have other teams. So far so good, everything is nice, and we are hoping to have the best independence ever. Make sure that you like this page and follow. See you in another video.